السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ.
وعلیکم السلام ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ.
How are you?
I am fine, and you?
Me too. Would you like to tell me in which class do you read?
Yes, I read in class 6.
In which school do you read?
I read in Practical Paradise School.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is computer.
Define a computer.
A computer is an electronic machine.
How many the components of a computer?
There are 3 components of a computer: hardware, software, system unit.
How many input devices of a computer?
There are 5 input devices of a computer: keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, digital camera.
How many output devices of a computer?
There are 3 output devices of a computer: monitor, speaker, printer.
Please define a speaker.
Speakers are device that provides output in the form of sound.
Thank you so much for this information.
Welcome.
Nice to meet you.
Meet you.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.